Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our English class. So in this video you are going to learn about homophones. Okay, I want everyone to take page number 102. So in this video you are going to cover page number 102 and 103. Okay, shall we learn about homophones? It is a very interesting topic, okay? So just want everyone to listen the topic very carefully. So in the first in the beginning of this page 102 you can able to see a conversation between two girls. Okay, so this girl, one girl is telling, catch the hair. Ha, not my hair, I said that hair. So what this girl is telling, she is telling to catch the hair. Okay, but what this girl is doing, she catched hair. Okay, she is telling to catch HARE, but she catched HAIR. Okay, so these two words have similar sounds, right? These two words have similar sound, but their spelling and meaning is different. Okay, so these words are known as homophones. Okay, so she got confused between hair and hair. Okay, so one girl is telling about hair, HAIR, so which we have in our head, right? But the other girl thought it is HARE. Okay, it is a creature. Okay, so this kind of words are known as homophones. Words that sound same but their spellings and meanings are different. Such words are called homophones. Okay, we are going to learn many different homophones. Okay, shall we learn? Okay, the first picture, sail, SALE, sail, and here comes SAIL. These two, it sounds same, right? Sail and sail sounds same, but their spelling and meaning are different. Second picture, pair, 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 sound is similar, but the spelling and meaning are different. Okay, this indicates pair of shoes, but this, it is a fruit, right? So this is different objects, but the sounds are similar. Okay, desert, desert. Okay, so in the first picture you can able to see desert. Okay, you can able to see a camel. Camel is the ship of the desert, right? Yes, first picture you can able to see desert, and in the second picture you can able to see ice cream. It is also a desert. Okay, the spellings are different, but sounds are same. Next, last picture, read, 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 read. The man is reading the newspaper, but REED is different from READ, but the sound you can able to hear same. Okay, so these kinds of words that sounds similar but their spellings and meanings are different are known as homophones. Okay, take your pencil along with you. Look at the picture, tick the correct word. Turn the next page, look at the picture and tick the correct word. So in the first picture, what is the first picture? Yes, deed. Okay, which is the correct word? DEER or DEAR? Which is the correct word? Yes, DEER. DEER is the correct word. So I want you to tick DEER. Whereas DEAR is different. It is not DEER. Okay. The spellings are different, but the sounds are same and the meanings are also different. Okay, so first, next picture, I and EYE, two different words are here. Okay, so which is the correct one? Yes, second one is the correct one. EYE is the correct one. Okay, third one, BY, by, BUY, by, which is the correct one? In the picture you can able to see a boy is getting something, he is buying something. So which is the correct one, BY or BUY? BUY is the correct one. Yes, next picture, MEAT, meat, MEET, meat. Can you say which is the correct one? Yes, M-E-E-T is the correct one. M-E-E-T is different from M-E-E-T. But the sounds are, yes, very good, similar. So you have to tick M-E-E-T. Next, W-A-S-T-E, W-A-I-S-T. So the first spelling is the correct one. W-A-S-T-E is the correct one. Whereas the second picture is not, the second word is not the correct spelling for the correct word for this picture. Okay, so tick W-A-S-T-E. Next, R-I-G-H-T or W-R-I-T-E, which is the correct one. The picture you can able to see a hand is writing, right? Yes, so W-R-I-T is correct one. So I want you to tick W-R-I-T-E. Okay. Next, connect and write the homophones in the box. You are going to match the correct homophones and you are going to find out the other set of homophones for the given homophones. Okay, so the first one, S-E-A. Yes, the first picture. Here you can able to see the second picture, a binocular man, right? So he is seeing something. So the first picture is, it indicates ocean and you have to match the S-E-A to the right side second picture, a man with binocular, S-E-E. Okay, so S-E-A and S-E-E, it gives same sound but different meaning. Okay, you have to match the first picture with the second picture on the right side. Next, one. Yes, so O-N-E, and here in the picture last, below the binocular picture you can able to see W-O-N, won. So O-N-E and W-O-N, it gives the same sound but different spelling and different meaning. So here it is the number and here the man got first prize, I think so. The man got won. Okay, won in the competition. Okay, so the first number 1 O-N-E, 2 W-O-N. Third one, flower, F-L-O-W-E-E-R, 2 F-L-O-U-R, the first picture. You have to write F-L-O-U-R and have to match that. Okay, next, write the homophones for the given word and draw the picture. S-O-N, sun. You can able to see a mommy and a son and her son. Okay, so what is the homophone for S-O-N? Yes, S-U-N, sun. So S-O-N and S-U-N, it gives similar sound. So you have to draw a picture of sun, S-U-N, sun, and you have to write in the box given there. Okay. Next, Roman letter D. Pick out the correct option from the given homophones. I saw a dash on the flower. I saw a dash on the flower. They have given two choice. One is B-E, another one is B-E-E. Which is the correct one? B-E-E is the correct one. I saw a B on the flower. B-E-E. Have to circle B-E-E and write in the dash. Okay, second one. The wind dash of the leaves. The wind blew off the leaves. Which is the correct one? B-L-E-W or B-L-U-E? B-L-E-W is the correct one. So you have to circle B-L-E-W and have to write it in the dash. So first one B-E-E, second one B-L-E-W. Third one. What did you dash at the store? What did you buy at the store? B-U-Y, buy. Okay, not B-Y. The correct word is B-U-Y, buy. You should never dash to your parents. You should never lie to your parents. Which is the correct word? L-Y-E or L-I-E? Yes, very good. L-I-E is the correct word. Okay, so in these 2 pages you have learnt many homophonic word, right? So you have to revise this homophonic word. Okay, thank you students.